Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back. It is your Natural Nail Guru and we have some new product today. So today we have IMethod Beauty. They reached out, asked if I would review some product, and obviously I said yes. Hello, I don't have to pay for it. Send it to me. I will test it all out. So they sent me a color gel polish kit. We're gonna do a quick little unboxing. We'll go over the brand, do some swatches on these colors. I have never heard of this brand. I've definitely never used any of their stuff. In a quick little overview of their website, I saw that they do offer a lot more than just nails. And even with nails, they have so much awesome like nail art stuff. So I'll definitely be hopefully dabbling in those in the future. But it is huge. They are vegan friendly and cruelty free, and they try to be, really healthy with their products. They do a lot of makeup. I mean, they got a lot of stuff on there. Another thing that really stood out is that on their Amazon channel, they have thousands of reviews amongst all their products, and they have, from what I saw, all of them are 4 stars or more. I don't think I saw anything that was less than a 4-star review. So that definitely sets a really good impression. So let's not waste any more time, get into these swatches. And if you guys want to keep up to date with all of the best product reviews, get the most amazing tips that are going to help improve the health of your natural nails and get you the longest wearing manicures you have ever had, then you know what to do. Hit that subscription button, make sure that you're sharing it with your friends, with your DIYs, professionals, anyone out there. They can definitely get something from this channel that's gonna help them, and definitely make sure you get your notifications on because you do not wanna miss everything that's coming. So let's get to these swatches.
All right, y'all, so we have IMethod Beauty Holiday Collection. They reached out to me, asked me if I wanted to review, and I said, heck yes. So they're 100% vegan, cruelty-free, 9-free, which means that they have 9 less of the toxic chemicals that are in gel polish, longer wear. We'll see. Really nice. I'm not really sure what's inside the box, so let's unbox. Let's figure it out. I've definitely been noticing a lot of these independent brands that are coming out. A lot of them are promoting vegan, cruelty-free, 9-free, or 12-free, which is really, really awesome. I'm actually working on getting information together to kind of show you guys what the differences are health-wise, if it's noticeable, and exactly which of the chemicals are they free of, because you could be free of the worst ones or free of the ones not so worst. So we're gonna definitely get into that in a different video. Make sure that you are subscribed so you don't miss that out. Are we ready for the reveal? Let's see what's in here. Oh, very nice, very nice. Very nice, super cute packaging. A little book in here that shows, ooh, foil glue. I'm definitely gonna be buying that. Ooh, a matte top coat. I'm definitely be getting that so we can test it out. Gives you a quick little directional on how to polish. You know what, this is actually really awesome. It shows you where you should start and the movement that you should be making to polish your nail. That's actually super helpful and very accurate. That's exactly how I start polishing. Look at that, you put it in the middle, you push it up, go down, you go one way, you go the other way. That's awesome. And it even shows you the different shades and the colors apply, which I guess this is only relevant for those colors, but really nice. You get a nice informational with this. These are all colors, I believe. So what I'm gonna do is we're gonna get these swatched. We're gonna look at consistency. We're gonna look at coverage. I definitely wanna see how comfortable these bottles are because they actually do look really comfortable to polish with. These are miniature bottles. They are 8 milliliters, which is a tiny touch over half of a full-size bottle from like OBI or Gelish. So let's not waste any more time. Let's get to these swatches, check out consistency, and see what we got.
All right, so we're gonna start off with number 103, looking like a red. Ooh, that is a red. That's nice. Well, the brush bristles aren't that short, but they're not as long as the others, which I love because if they're too long, they're a little soft. And the control of brushing can get a little bit of a pain, but the consistency so far is looking really nice. It's looking like a rich color. Let's see, first time I'm trying this color. Oh, look at that, wow. The brush is really nice and smooth. It is really comfortable to polish with, even though it's a tiny bottle. I really have no opinion on the shape of the lid. I mean, it doesn't get in the way, so it's good, but I don't know. Maybe I'm just kind of used to a more just straight circular one. But as far as comfort, I mean, really nice polishing, no issues, great coverage on this red. Check that out. You see that? That is really nice. Okay, so let's finish this one up. So here's 103, 2 coats, beautiful color. Coverage on point, application, super smooth, seamless, comfortable. All right, this is really nice. I'm already got my hopes up for the rest of these colors. All right, so this is number 114. That's looking like it's gonna be a shimmery. Ooh, it is. Oh, that's a lovely gold. It's definitely a soft gold, not rose gold, but not so yellow. Wow, that's super sparkly. Let's try this one out. Oh, wow, yes. This one's definitely gonna be a popular glitter color for fall and winter. For sure. Wow, that's sparkly. I love when it does that. Beautiful. Let's finish this one up and check out the second coat. And there we go. 2 coats. Beautiful, beautiful. Great application, great coverage. You cannot see anything through that clear nail. So it is just super, super jam-packed in there with a really fine glitter, and it's so easy to polish. It's not chunky, doesn't clump, doesn't gather up. I love it. Really nice. Let's check out the next one. This one is 118, also looking like a shimmer, a red shimmer. Yes, it is a red shimmer. Ooh, this one has like red and gold glitter. Let me put a little more polish on there. There you go. This one's a little bit soft on the coverage for the first coat, but it's barely noticeable. I'm pretty sure 2 coats is going to be just enough. You definitely have I say definitely a lot, don't I? I'm sorry. But look at that. Really cute gold and red glitter. Oh, that's mesmerizing. I'll literally get stuck there looking at that. Let's check out the second coat. All right, so here we go. 2 coats. Lovely. Great coverage. You can even actually use this as a top coat, especially over like a deeper red or a red that's the same tone, even a lighter tone. Really, really cute. Let's check out the next one. This one is number 119. It is looking like a nude. I love nudes because you can never have, ooh. Oh, that is pretty. Oh my gosh. Wow, this is a gorgeous, gorgeous nude color. It is bright, it is almost creamy. It gives me Prosecco vibes with a little hint of royal tea. Wow, that's a cute nude. Let me finish this one up. I'm excited about that one. That is a super hot color. And let me tell you, my nude loving girls, I hope you guys don't mind putting a different color on your toes, because I don't have a matching toe color, but I already have quite a few people that I know are gonna want this color. Super, super cute. Love it. Let's check out the next one. All right, number 120. Let's see where you at. Oh, this is a shimmer. It's like an ice silver blue. Really, really cute. Let's see. That one's really cute. Definitely an icy blue. This could look super cute by itself because it is so subtle and soft, but as an accent nail on either blue or whites, off-whites, even soft purples, that actually would be a really nice accent nail with a really soft purple. Let's check out the second coat. So here we go, 2 coats, really lovely coverage, full coverage. You definitely won't need a third. It is really pretty, definitely throws more silver to blue, but you could totally see the blue in there. Really nice. Let's check out the next one. Now this one is the last one. It is number 121. Looking like a red. Also a little shimmery. You see that in there? It's kind of like it's got a, there I go with the fuchsia magenta shimmer. Very, very nice. I still gotta figure out what is fuchsia and which one is the magenta. Oh, that one's cute. Let me get up close. You see that little shimmer? That's really cute. Let me tell you, this is a top coat to like Private Escort. It's like a really deep hot pink. super appropriate for the name, private escort. But this as a top coat would actually look really, really nice. Make it a little bit more vibrant. All right, let's check out the second coat.
Wait for the plane to go over. Story of my life. Okay.
All right, so there we go. 2 coats. Really, really pretty. This one's super, super cute. It's a little bit soft because I can see my fingers through the clear. You guys can see the shadowing in there, the break. So it is possible that you might need a 3rd coat for this. I don't think so because it's very even coverage. It's possible you might need a 3rd coat, but it's super cute. All right, let's take a look at all the colors together and see that matte look on those. I'll be back. All right, you already know the deal. We have a final overview look at the 6 colors in this collection. Super, super cute. Let's take a look at that matte look. Oh, this nude, guys, that nude is just so pretty. Really nice. They're mostly shimmers, so shimmers with matte, to each their own. The gold one actually kind of looks cool. I'm telling you, it looks like texture. It's pretty cool. But really, really lovely consistency, coverage. Overall, really great first impression on these colors and this brand for sure. So far so good. First impression, great consistency. The bottles are really nice and practical, easy to polish with. The colors were really nice. I love the consistency and the coverage that we get on it. The only thing left for me to do is to test how this product actually wears. So I will definitely be getting my hands on a base coat, top coat, matte top coat. I just want to try out their foil stuff. They got some hollow powders and stuff, so I'll get some cute stuff when it comes to art. But most importantly, we definitely want to see how this product wears. It says longer wear right there. So far so good. I have a good first impression of theirs. I hope you guys do too. I will definitely be keeping you posted on how the wear and the longevity of this product is. So once I get that product in, you already know the drill. I'll pick a few people to test it out, get it out there in the world, do their thing, and then see what they bring back to the table after a few weeks of wear. So IMethod Beauty, we will be back to you. Thank you so much everyone for tuning in. Notifications on so that you do not miss it. I do take a couple weeks to do reviews because I have people out there wearing them. So just be patient, get your notifications on and you won't miss it. It'll be out there soon. So thank you so much everyone for tuning in and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.